Welcome to our tutorial on fixing microphone issues in Counter-Strike 2. Let's get started. First, let's check your microphone settings in Windows. Go to the Control panel, then to Sound, and ensure your microphone is set as the default device. Next, verify that Counter-Strike 2 has permission to use your microphone. Check the Game's Settings menu under Audio. To ensure your microphone is functional, test it with other applications like a voice recorder or Discord. Now, adjust your in-game audio settings. Ensure the voice chat volume is turned up and set to the correct output. Make sure the correct input device is selected in the Counter-Strike 2 settings. Select your microphone from the drop-down list. Keep your system updated by installing the latest drivers for your sound card. Check Device Manager for any updates. It's also essential to check for game updates. Sometimes patches can resolve microphone issues. After making all these adjustments, reboot your system to refresh the settings and connections. If your microphone still isn't working, we'd recommend visiting our troubleshooting guide for more resources. Thanks for watching.